New York City factory footage this week. You know, we take photos around New York City when the pandemic was peaking in March and April. I was documenting each night, but now there's other stuff going on. You know, businesses returned and there's outdoor dining, but this is outside our post office right near us. Same as the post office. So, you know, New York has a variety of sidewalk art and paste ups and more. Right now, a lot of folks are worried and concerned about the Postal Service, so you'll start to see that around. Some old photos.
Yeah, it's my old pick and place.
This is a pick and place from back in our apartment days, and
I tweeted a lot with
10
this.
years ago, yeah.
Yeah, it started the business. I mean, like it was a pick and place that ran on 120 power and could fit through a door in an apartment, and that's why we had it. Just filling up trays. Sometimes parts get loose that come out of trays, and we have a custom tray that we can put in the pick and place. This is, I think, adding some paste to the stenciler. We gotta do that every once in a while. Keep it full up. We got a new pump for the Selective Solder machine. You can see the new one on the right and the old one on the left. So you can see how beautiful and shiny the new pump is. So that's cleaning off components for the Selective Solder. You can see it's quite an adventure. But now it's nice and shiny. You can tin it. Nice.
And it wouldn't be Made in New York City factory footage without a time lapse of all the construction going outside.
Never
across
stops.
the street from Adafruit. So this is Disney, one of Disney like headquarter buildings that they're building right across the street from us, and they just keep going. That's the only thing that didn't pause in New York.